Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly Glam. Today I want to share with you two very easy recipes of DIY foot scrubs for soft feet. These two recipes, they will help you to nourish and moisturize the skin of your feet, making it soft and supple. All the ingredients that are included in these recipes, they are great exfoliants. They help to soften, nourish, moisturize the skin. Also, they will help to deal with dryness, cracks and corns. Homemade scrubs, they are great to keep your feet healthy and deal with most of the problems from peeling and dryness to cracks and corns. Homemade scrubs, they contain components that are rich in vitamins, and in my recipe I always try to add base oil to add the additional hydration and nutrition to the skin of your feet. Use these recipes 1 or 2 times per week. That way you will keep your skin moist, soft, hydrated and very, very beautiful. Read all the information about the ingredients in the description box below this video, where I explain what each ingredient makes for your skin. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click the notification bell so you will be notified every single time when I post new videos on my channel. And I thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day, everyone, and I will see you next time.